Yo, what's up? Everyone know these people, Mizoram people. Yeah, people from Mizoram, how they call them?
Mizo people.
And people from Shillong.
Kasi people?
No. Kasi is a tribe.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
People from Shillong, you can call them Meghallians.
Oh, Meghallians.
Because the name of the state is Meghallia, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, anyway, peace out to all the Nordic people. Yeah, this is Gabs Gabi, a long way from Africa, and today I have a special person for you here. Welcome, brother.
Yeah, thank you for having me here.
Yeah, your name, tell them.
Yeah, hello everyone, this is Malik here. I go by the name Malik's Eyes. So today I'm here feeling with Gabs Gabi.
Yeah, go and check him out, guys. He does reaction videos to Nordic people, and he loves Mizo people so much. Like, if they will ask you which Nordic state, like, for you, like I know we all love the Nordics.
Yes.
But the first one come?
Definitely I'll go for Mizoram, man.
You go for Mizoram, but for me, I go for Meghallia, Shillong people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I can, okay. From no long parallel. This is for people who are watching from Meghallia.
Chibai, this is for the people who are watching from Mizoram.
Okay, that's nice, nice, guys. So today we decide to react to one music video here, and what is so special about this music, because we are seeing two legends in one screen, like just seeing Ronaldo and Messi coming together. Who will skip such video? No one. Only people who don't love football. So only people who don't love music are gonna skip not to watch this music, because we are watching Tater and Jay
Lal Rosanga.
Yeah, RSA together, guys. This is kind of a charity song collaboration, and we are also concert, right? We are also hoping and wishing one day to see them having an amazing collaboration out there. We are wishing to see that, guys. So anyway, we are so curious to check it out. No need to waste time. Don't forget, check Malik out, subscribe to his channel, and if you are not part of this channel, subscribe to both of us. We all love you all. God bless you. Let's go.
In đâu na sông a rap thác bên căn nông hi lê lam ma nek sorin ka oma vanin đâu na ai na sa so kan ni soi tu Kristan Jesus katlong iya Krista mi shuai tu me tu lang pui chu katsak na le kathim ti the na kasam ngai lo setan
So you feel it from inside, so you can feel the expression.
Say.
What inspiring, what a big collaboration, seeing two legends in one screen.
That's crazy.
That's something rare to find. Rare to find. Yeah.
We stop this here or we continue the same?
Continue.
Man, you know, I even didn't know, like, you know, this is my first time to see RSA carrying like this. You know, during this concert, it's like always dancing, moving, making people, you know, crying, shouting like everywhere. But I didn't know he was able to sing like this, man.
This guy is talented.
Yeah, I thought he knows only how to sing like the Western song, like "Don't Let Me Down," stuff like that. I know he was like just like that, but that's crazy. What do you think?
Oh man, this guy is talented. I just believe that.
Yeah.
And yeah, just from the way you can see, from the expressions, from the way he sounds, like a confident, like man, so good.
And it's so simple in the life.
So good. And I also say that this guy physically, I can say that he looks so humble. He's kind of a humble,
very humble.
very humble. He looks so humble guy. And I just love the way he expressed, like when he's singing. Though I don't understand the full meaning of the music, but the expression will just tell everything, guys. And I'm just so happy. I didn't even thought that I would be seeing both theater and RSA in one screen. Oh, this is something amazing, and every viewers from Mizoram, definitely one day we are hoping to see them to have an amazing collaboration, right?
I feel like we need to see more like this.
Yeah, we want to see them together. Like how can they make it like what?
That will bring Mizoram's songs like in the.
This will be hit. This will be hit.
The collaboration will be song, bro.
Yeah, we are requesting RSA and Theater guys. Can you please collaborate?
Yeah.
Because I can say. This guy, both of them they can speak, they can sing in English because in the previous contest,
there's some English.
They were English contest. So try to do something, and at least if you can't sing in English, okay, just keep for us English subtitle.
Yeah, and both of them they have this like a unique thing in their voice. RSA, he has something special in his voice. Tete has something special in his voice. Imagine the mix of these two, man. That's gonna be fire, man. I'm telling you how, bro.
Yeah. It was something nice to see. We're so happy to see that.
Alright.
Yeah. Not from Africa, guys.
Yeah. So if you were at this charity concert, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to share with your friends, your family, and all the fans of Mizo Song, all the fans of Jayla Rozanga, aka RSA, all the fans of Lalsaniana, aka Tete. Yeah, man.
Peace out. Love you all.
See you in the next one.
Come back.